Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about 5 legit ways to make money online. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews to let you know what products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not, as far as you making money online. And if those are topics that you would like to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into 5 legit ways to make money online. The first one is Upwork. You may have heard of this before, maybe not, but this is a place where you can go become a freelancer. And just some examples of things that you might do is accounting, customer service, creative design, sales and marketing, web development, and writing. Here's an example of some people that I've hired in the past. I've hired an article writer, so if you can write articles, let's say for somebody who has a blog, do the research for it, do the keywords, and write the article. I hired a graphic designer. Here's somebody I hired to do product research. So if you know somebody who does drop shipping on eBay, and you can do research between different sites to see where you can make a profit, that's definitely needed because it's very time consuming. The other person I hired here was for data entry. We were drop shipping on Amazon and we're getting like 80 to 100 orders a day. So we needed her to help fulfill the orders. Those are just some examples of what I've hired people to do, but there's all kinds of things that you could do on Upwork, whatever you're skilled in. The second way is Amazon Mechanical Turk, and it's another freelancing site, but they just have certain tasks that you'll do, and some of them they don't pay you too much, but it just depends on what the task is. Sometimes it's $20 to $30 an hour. So basically they have a task that need to be completed, and then you do that and you earn money. So you can check that out. The third one is actually not online, but I wanted to include this because you might not have thought about this. It's Rovercom, and you can get paid to be a sitter, a dog sitter. And so you can see maybe up to $1,000 a month you could earn. I know, like if you go sit for a night, you can earn as much as $90 to $100 a night dog sitting. And I have a friend who does dog walking and dog sitting. That's her full-time job. That's just an idea of something else that you could do. The fourth thing is Amazon Kindle Publishing. So you can publish ebooks on Kindle, and you can outsource this if you don't know how to write a book. You don't have to write it yourself. And the way that you can learn how to do this is you can go to a site called Udemy, and they have all kinds of courses for like really cheap, $10.99, and it's a lot. You get like 11 hours here, how to become a best-selling author on Amazon Kindle. That's the fourth thing. And the fifth one is takelessons.com. You can go here and become a tutor, a teacher. So you create a profile, and they handle the booking and the payments for you, so you don't have to worry about that. And so, let's see, they have paid out a lot to teachers, $50 million. The top amount that's been earned by a teacher is $227,000. And these are just some examples of what people do, what kind of lessons people give, is some singing lessons, guitar, all kinds of instruments, foreign languages, sign language, drawing, dance, acting. So there's all kinds of things. If you have a skill, you can teach someone else and make some money. So takelessons.com. All right, so those are the 5 legit ways to make money online that I wanted to talk to you about today. And if you have any questions about these, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. And if you found value from it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. Now, if you want to learn how to make money online through a business and be able to leverage yourself, not having more of the linear income like a job, but actually having that leverage and residual income, then you can check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. That'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you'd like. And with that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.